not a bad idea also to skew the plane slightly, so that in effect what it's doing is slicing the timber rather than chopping it straight on. If you hold it straight on that way, it tends to chop the timber rather than slicing. Incidentally, this square is known as an engineer's square. It's very good, it's a good size for small work. Generally, you can use a larger tri-square like this, but for small work like this, then the little engineer's square is perfect. Penciled. I find the best hardness of pencil for use on timber is HB. H is too hard, it dents the timber. B, or less than that, is too soft and you get a very broad line. So HB is just about the right combination. And there we have a pencil mark. Light strokes like that and you get a lovely clean, crisp mark. You notice that the shadings that are coming off now are very fine. And that is getting very close. By the way, a little ruler like this, a little steel ruler, 150 millimeters long, with clear calibrations, is almost an essential. In fact, that's pretty well even. Just there. Here we are. Thickness of the pencil mark. We'll change the angle. Keep the angle of the pencil the same. And with a bit of luck, it meets up round the other side. Okay. You shouldn't have to put much weight down on the saw. If it's sharp enough, it will make its own way anyway through the timber. A little bit of downward pressure, but not much. Use the full length of the saw, none of this sort of thing in the middle that people tend to do. Full length of the saw all the way through from one end to the other. Watch that line, and you're standing it so that your arm passes across your body, not into your body like that. Square that way, and pretty square that way, and we're just about down to the line. Square and square. And 300 millimeters.